Oh my god! It's the Arc de Triomphe!
Va 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 va, va 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 va.
We're at the Hotel Napoleon. Come in, you gotta see this.
The Napoleon Hotel from Paris. What a nice place to discover Paris from the terrace.
The bed has little cookies on it. I've never been in a 5-star hotel before, let alone my first time in Paris. This is completely amazing. I am freaking out. Wow, I am so American right now. We don't just have suites. We have connecting suites. Ah! Oh no, it's called chambre. The tassels. Look at this
embroidery.
It's like fine silk horsehair. This is so. Yeah. What is happening here? Oh, she's painting. Is she painting the painting? She's an artist with the cool headdress. And this lady's her roadie.
And these are some fine ladies playing hacky sack.
Look at this. We've got like 100 yards of balcony, you realize, when you put them together. Look at this. All of that balcony. That's all us. All of it. Wait.
For the bedroom to the...
What? Wait a minute. This is your door.
Yeah.
What just happened? And then the loo is here. The toilet. And then it goes straight into the salle de bain. What? And then into the bedroom. We're gonna order room service. We're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
I wish we were here for a week.
You can do your Facebook Live.
Yeah, you should.
It's really pretty. This is my favorite time of day and night in Paris because all the lights start coming on, and even though it's raining quite heavily, it's really beautiful. I mean, how do you ever go wrong with Paris? Ever. Ever.
Is someone knocking on your door? I'm gonna go check.
I don't know. I think someone's knocking on the door.
Oh, yes. Hello. Oh my goodness, Viv. Thank you so much.
What? What is this?
This is the champagne for you, for welcome to you. Allez, bonne soirée.
Merci beaucoup. Merci. Bonsoir. Very unexpected.
That was crazy. Wait.
Oh my god, what is happening?
C'est nous. Ce soir, c'est la fête.
It's like a comedy.
Champagne.
The comedy française.
Basically, this is Daria's suite, and then our suite
Oh
is
my
connected.
god. No. It's not doing anything.
Wait, I feel like people just go like that with their thumb. Am I just making that up?
Okay. It's gonna, wait, is it gonna pop?
Of course it hit me.
It hit you! Did it bounce?
Ricocheted. It's so perfect to be here because it's so cozy and just, it's lovely. It's lovely being here in this kind of weather, and it's like the ultimate Parisian experience. Actually, this hotel has had quite a number of very notable musicians and artists stay here, like Miles Davis, Ella Fitzgerald,
That's
Josephine
amazing.
Baker, who's incredible. The energy here
Yeah.
is just bursting with creativity, so it's really cool.
Drinks will taste so sweet in foreign cities.
So cool.
Well, except
And my sights are for so long.
Yeah.
It's a stirring thrill. Love to be away to live.
Okay, here we go.
Just a spot on the sky. Thinking lights in the darkness. Senses hiding.
We've been noticing the art in this hotel is just amazing. And there's all these Napoleonic paintings. I like this
I think these
series.
are like soldier buddies.
Hey, can you grab the sticks? Napoleon Premier. Oh. I think I should get those tiny little short bangs.
Definitely.
The comb forward bangs.
What is she doing?
She's doing like, I think hand coming toward you. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Hey.
Hey there.
We have no words that are sufficient for the glamour of this guy.
This is like his Liberace period.
Was it really cold there? I feel like all that velvet.
This one is like, they're like, we want to hang the painting over there. No, there. No, there.
Oh dear. Oh good, he's fixing a horseshoe. I thought he was just hammering that man's leg. That's a great expression, wait.
He kind of looks like he's on one of those horses from the grocery stores.
Yeah.
When you put a little coin in.
I miss you. I know. This might be my favorite getup.
Ooh, he has a faux hawk.
I love it.
Doesn't this whole place make you feel like you're in this beautiful gilded frame, like we're in a storybook or a painting or something?
I think we are. The hallway is here.
Do you want to just go exploring?
Yeah.
Do we have time? Okay.
It's amazing.
I love the walls. I really want these.
I don't know if you can see, they're velvety.
It's a cool texture.
Yeah. We hit a dead end. Let's keep going. Okay. Listen.
We don't want to leave. It's so gorgeous here. But we have to go.
Va 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 va. Va 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 va. Hey, yeah, you. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. We'll wait. Oh, and comment below with your craziest hotel experience.
See you in the next video.
And be adventurous.